Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to upload digital product on Raket. So for you to be able to upload your digital product on Raket, here's a simple guide you can follow. So first thing you have to do is sign up or log into your account. Visit the Raket website and sign up if you don't have an account, or if you already have, log in your account. Then after that, navigate to product upload. So for you to be able to navigate, go to the section where you can upload product. Then this is usually found in the dashboard or the product management section. After that, create a new product. So for you to be able to click the new product, click on the option to create a new product and fill in the required details such as product name, the description of the product, the price of the product, and the categories of the product. After that, upload the file. So upload the digital file you want to sell. Then after that, this could be a PDF, ebook, software, or any other digital product. Then configure the payment option for your product, including any discounts or promotion. After that, publish everything. After that, publish everything is set up. Then publish the product so it's available for purchase on Raket. And that is how to upload digital product on Raket. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.